This 2022 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern LT 202RD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, leveling jacks, microwave, oven, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, external shower, LP detector, DVD player, awning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern LT 202RD is 4,382 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.